Slack costs $10 per user per month. Discord gives you a proprietary walled garden. Rocket.Chat offers the same encrypted messaging for $0 and 0 accounts required. You run 3 commands. Docker compose up-d, a TypeScript application bootstraps inside 2 minutes. The default configuration uses MongoDB for message persistence and Node.js for real-time events. 45,000 stars on GitHub confirm the project is not abandonware. The deployment spins into a web client indistinguishable from Slack. Channels, direct messages, file uploads, video calls, screen sharing, every feature Slack markets as premium exists in the open source repository. Threaded conversations collapse into a clean timeline. Search indexes messages across years of history. You can federate with matrix instances or bridge to Telegram bot. The security model works differently. Slack stores your messages on their servers. Rocket.Chat lets you control the encryption keys. An admin can enable end-to-end encryption per room. Messages become unreadable to the server itself. Compliance teams call this a deal breaker. Security teams call it a lifeline. 489 releases have shipped since the first commit. The plugin marketplace contains 219 extensions. You can turn the chat into a help desk with ticket queues. You can embed a chatbot that queries your internal database. The open source community maintains omnichannel routing for customer support. A single Rocket.Chat instance replaces Zendesk and Slack simultaneously. The reality check is short. Mobile apps are slower than Discord. The desktop client uses Electron and consumes 300 megabytes idle. LDAP integration requires reading the documentation twice. Voice channels do not support Discord-style activity detection. You must manually configure push notifications for iOS. Rocket.Chat does not track your behavior. There is no telemetry opt-out because telemetry does not exist. The source code is auditable by any developer who reads TypeScript. The compliance overhead is a single configuration file. Star the repository on GitHub. Subscribe to Open Sourcery for the next drop.